Good morning, my dear students, and welcome to today's lesson. Today we are going to learn about this application or this program, Scratch. So, let's start. What is Scratch? Scratch is considered a graphic programming language which is different from other languages known, where it depends on visual steps to make a program using it. Or we can create games, moving shapes, and adding sound effects to our project. And also, we can share this project with the internet. Now that you have learned what is Scratch, it's time to know the importance of Scratch. First, it helps to know programming language easily. Second, it's an open source program so you can download from the internet. Number three, it's available while online and also while you're offline too. Number four, it's supported with the Arabic language completely, so you can use Arabic language or English. Number 5, it can be used to create softwares to other disciplines. Number 6, it can easily be created by butting the blocks with each other. Number 7, it helps to think in a logical way. And number 8, it can be used on different operating systems, Windows or Linux. Now, in order to know how to open Scratch, you have to download the program from this from this link, scratch.mit.edu .scratch to download. This is the link to open or to download Scratch. Now let's start with the main interface of the Scratch program. It consists of number 1, as you can see, it's the menu bar. Number 2, the tool bar. Number 3, the stage. Number 4, sprite. Number 5, the background. Number 6, sprites region. Number 7, script sounds. Customs tabs. As you can see in number 7, you have scripts, customs, sounds. These are the tabs. Number 8, script area. Number 9, block area. And number 10, it's the X and Y stage. Now, let's learn how to change the language of the program. First, you have to click on this icon from the tool bar. Then you're going to choose the language you want. As you can see, it has many languages. Now we can control the stage using these three icons. The first one is to stop the program, the second one is to play the program, and the last one, or the blue one, is to enlarge the stage to make it bigger. Now, how to know the sprite information? In order to know the information, you have to click on the small blue eye button on the sprite picture, as you can see in this picture. Now, as you can see, this page or this window will open to you. Here you can see many information. For example, number 1 is the name of the sprite. Number 2 is the X and Y position. Number 3 is the sprite motion detection. Number 4, it is the sprite rotation style. Number 5 is the sprite drag option. And number 6 is the sprite visibility option. Now it's time for the stage dimensions. It's different groups. Each one consists of some blocks which used in the programming, and each one has a certain color. As you can see here, the dimensions are the X and the Y. These are the scripts groups. Now the motion blocks. They are the one which control the motion of the sprite. Number 2, the events blocks. They contains blocks which controls the event where it happens on the sprites in your project. Number 3, the looks blocks. They contains blocks and they control the shape and how your sprite look like. As you can see in this picture, here we have the scripts group, motion, looks, events, and many other things. Pen, data, control, sensing, operating, and down here you have the blocks. Move 10 steps, turn 15 degrees, and so on. Now let's start with the motion blocks. Like this block, move 10 steps. The sprite will move the number of your steps. But when you point in direction 90, This means that the direction of the movement of the sprite will change. And in this you can see wait. This means that your sprite will stop or pause for the number of seconds you write. For example, in this picture we have move 30 steps, wait 1 second, move 30 steps. So here the sprite will move 30 steps, then it's going to wait 1 second and move again 30 steps. Now number 2, the event blocks. When you see this event means that when something happens, some other thing is going to happen. To show the presentation, must put on the beginning of the script. So you must put this one on the beginning of your script. Now let's look at this example. As you can see here, when this flag is clicked or when the space key pressed, when the sprite clicked, when the backdrop switches to backdrop, or when loudness is less than 10. These are your events. So we are going to choose one of them, and we chose the first one when the flag is clicked. As you can see here, this is the event. When you click this green flag, so your sprite will move 30 steps, wait 1 second, move 30 steps, wait 1 second, move 30 steps, wait 1 second, and finally it's going to move 30 steps. So the event blocks are the ones that allow you to start a certain motion when something happens. So when you click this flag or this green flag, these motions are going to take place. Now the control blocks. We use the wait option to control when the second move will take place.
Imagine creating your own video games, animated stories, or interactive art.
Scratch is a programming language that makes it easy for people to make all kinds of creative projects.
With Scratch, you can make things walk, talk, sing, dance, bounce, fly, win, lose, or draw.
Scratch is used by all different kinds of people all over the world to make all different kinds of projects.
I love drawing stuff. I especially liked drawing this picture because it was really fun.
In this project, I used the sprite to draw a pattern.
I started making these stories up. I don't know where they come from, I guess my imagination.
My first project was a remix of one of the sample projects that come with Scratch. I just love the creativity of Scratch. There's endless possibilities. It's not like you can just make this project or this project, and that's all you can make.
But Scratch isn't just a tool, it's also a community.
You get to see other people's projects and learn from them and get ideas from them.
I like to compose my own music in Scratch and draw my own characters.
I love math and I like making other people interested in it too.
Getting started is easy. You can download Scratch for free and just start exploring.
You snap together Scratch blocks, just like you would snap together Lego bricks.
Let's make the cat dance back and forth to a beat. If I want the cat to dance back and forth more than one time, I can wrap a repeat block around it. Now let's make it interactive. I'll place this block on top, and now when I click on the cat sprite, check out what happens. You can even try different things out while the project is still running and experiment with different scripts.
It's a program that lets you explore your imagination. You can do whatever you want in it. You can design anything.
Using Scratch, I definitely learned a lot about programming, but I also learned how to collaborate with other people.
This project has voices in it. I had my friends record their voices, and then I used it in my project.
It's like you can do whatever you want, really. You can be as creative as you want to be.